Hello viewers, welcome to another video. So in this video I will show you how to backup emails from Webmail. So to do this you need a active web hosting and a cPanel. If you are looking for a cheap web hosting, I will leave a link in the description. You can get it from there. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, we are inside the cPanel. And I have these 3 emails that I'm using, so I can only manage or delete the email from here, but I cannot backup. So let me show you how you can backup. Just go back to your web hosting account and you will have an option to log into your webmail. Here is the option. Just click on login to webmail. This will take you to the webmail login page. Just log in using your email ID. Let me log in using my credentials. And then click on login. This will take you to the next page where you have to select the Webmail client. Usually we have 2 Webmail clients, that is hard and round cube. If you select round cube, you will not be able to back up your emails from the inbox. So always go with the first one. Just click on hard and just select hard and click on open. So this is hard webmail interface. As you can see, I have my inbox, drafts and sends. So basically you can manage everything from here. Now to back up your emails, just point your cursor to inbox and right click and select export, and here just select zip compressed and click on OK. This will start downloading your inbox into a zip file. You can see our manual backup is downloaded. You can just open the folder and keep this backup. Next time if you want to import it somewhere, you can just use this file. You can just upload this file and or you can just unzip it and keep a copy of your emails. That's pretty much it. If you want more videos on cPanel, I have a full playlist on that. You can click on the I button and watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.